Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by laying the jean shorts flat and examining the zipper visually and by touch. Check teeth alignment for bends or missing teeth and see whether the slider moves smoothly. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry fabric away and needle nose pliers to test the slider head. If the slider is loose or split, it will wobble or fail to engage teeth. Measure the slider size as #5 and record the zipper tape length in inches so you can purchase matching parts. For a fast temporary repair, realign the zipper teeth by hand, then pinch the base of a loose slider gently with needle nose pliers to tighten the channel around the teeth. Test movement after small adjustments. If the pull tab broke, loop a paperclip, keyring, or split ring through the slider hole to create a durable temporary pull. To make the slider glide more smoothly without replacing it, rub a small drop of silicone lubricant or candle wax on the teeth and work the slider up and down 5 to 10 times. For a permanent fix, first remove the old slider by uncrimping or cutting off the top stop with pliers and carefully sliding the slider off the tape. Keep the teeth intact. Slide on a replacement #5 slider in the correct orientation, then position a new metal top or bottom, stop approximately 1/4 inch from the tape edge, and crimp it securely with pliers to prevent the slider from running off. Finish by sewing 2 to 3 tight stitches or applying a small dab of fabric glue near the stop for extra security. Then test the zipper through its full range.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.